Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to copy and paste a file from one folder to another folder. So, what is the difference between a file and a folder? So, a file is like the common storage unit in a Microsoft Windows computer. But a folder is like a container of the files. A file can be a text file, a video file, and an audio file, but a folder can hold those files. And a folder can contain files and also other folders. And a folder will always be empty until it is filled. So this is the difference between the file and the folder, and to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I have two folders over here. This folder has a text file. So first of all, I will open this folder. Then I will copy, right click on it, right click on the file and click on copy. Then this folder is empty, the video folder, this folder is empty. So I will right click on this folder and click on paste. And now if I open this video folder, now there is the file, the video folder, and now there is the file, the rename.txt, and there is the text information. So this is how you copy a text file from one folder into another folder. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have learned how to copy a file from one folder and paste it to another folder. Thank you for watching.